Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily create your own equalizer preset on your Nothing Headphones 1. So at first we have to run our application, which is called the Nothing X, and here in this application we have to scroll down till we see here Equalizer. Now here we can either tap custom here and do our custom preset with this, as you can see, buttons, or we can go to advanced and here create our custom equalizer preset. Here we can increase the frequencies, lower the frequencies, etc. We can do everything. And here, as you can see, we can tap this plus and name our profile. Then we have to tap create, and now if we can tap here, we have the custom one. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye. Have a nice day.